Introducing the STOBAZA 20PCS 8-inch cake container with clear lid. Whether you're a professional baker or simply love hosting dinner parties, this cake container is a must-have for all your cake transporting, storing, and displaying needs. With the 20 cake display combo pack, you'll receive 10 8-inch cake trays, each measuring 24 by 24 by 8 centimeters. These trays are perfect for accommodating your 8-inch round cakes, ensuring they stay secure and intact during transportation. Ideal for various occasions, including bakeries, dinner parties, Christmas parties, festive parties, and even shopping centers, this cake container is versatile and can be used in a wide range of settings. One of the standout features of this cake container is its non-slip lid. The lid is securely supported on the tray, preventing any damage or crushing that could occur before your cake is ready to be served. You can trust that your cake will remain fresh and visually appealing. Not only is this cake container suitable for cakes, but it can also be used for other desserts such as crepes and cheesecakes. It's also great for holiday decorations and can be placed in malls or used for Christmas parties. The possibilities are endless. Another unique aspect of this product is that you have the opportunity to DIY your cake box. You can get creative and decorate these lidded dessert containers with your own ribbons and logo stickers. Additionally, you can complete the presentation by including forks, offering your guests a culinary journey. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Always check compatibility before purchasing to ensure it will work in your destination. In summary, the STOBAZA 20PCS 8-inch cake container with clear lid is a practical and versatile product that will enhance your cake transporting, storing, and displaying experience. Don't miss out on this must-have item for all your baking adventures.